Welcome to our channel. We're so excited to have you here today. Today, we're diving into the top 10 breakfast foods that will help you look younger and say bye-bye to belly fat. These foods are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that can make a significant difference in your overall health and appearance. You want to look good, right? Feel fantastic? Imagine waking up every morning, looking in the mirror, and seeing a fresher, more youthful version of yourself. It's possible, and it all starts with what you put on your plate. Then you've got to fuel your body with the right ingredients, not pump it full of sugary rubbish. Many breakfast options out there are loaded with sugars and empty calories that do nothing but harm your body. Instead, we need to focus on wholesome, nutrient-dense foods. We're talking about real food that will give you energy, make your skin glow, and help you feel absolutely fantastic. Fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins are the key. These foods are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can rejuvenate your skin and boost your energy levels. Imagine starting your day with a vibrant smoothie packed with berries, spinach, and a touch of honey. Or perhaps a hearty bowl of oatmeal topped with fresh fruits and nuts. These meals are not only tasty, but also incredibly beneficial for your skin and overall health. Let's get started on this journey to a younger, healthier you. First on our list is the classic smoothie bowl. It's a fantastic way to pack in a variety of nutrients in one meal. Use a base of Greek yogurt or a plant-based alternative. Add in your favorite fruits like berries, bananas, and a handful of spinach. Top it off with some nuts and seeds for that extra crunch and nutritional boost. Smoothie bowls are not only visually appealing, but also incredibly nourishing. The antioxidants in berries help fight off free radicals, which can cause premature aging. The healthy fats from nuts and seeds keep your skin hydrated and supple. Next up, we have avocado toast. This trendy breakfast option is not just a fad, it's a powerhouse of nutrients. Avocados are rich in healthy fats, vitamins E and C, and antioxidants. Spread some mashed avocado on whole grain bread, sprinkle a bit of salt, pepper, and maybe a dash of chili flakes for a kick. Avocado toast is not only delicious, but also incredibly satisfying. The healthy fats in avocados help keep your skin moisturized and glowing. Plus, the fiber in whole grain bread aids in digestion and keeps you feeling full longer. Another great option is a colorful fruit salad. Mix together a variety of your favorite fruits like strawberries, blueberries, kiwi, and oranges. Add a squeeze of lemon juice and a sprinkle of chia seeds for an extra boost of nutrients. Fruit salads are a fantastic way to start your day with a burst of vitamins and antioxidants. The natural sugars in fruits provide a quick energy boost, while the fiber helps keep your digestive system running smoothly. Plus, the vibrant colors of the fruits are sure to brighten your morning. Lastly, let's not forget about oatmeal. This classic breakfast option is incredibly versatile and can be customized to your liking. Start with a base of rolled oats, cook them in water or milk, and top with fresh fruits, nuts, and a drizzle of honey. Oatmeal is packed with fiber, which helps keep you full and satisfied. The complex carbohydrates provide a steady release of energy throughout the morning, and the added fruits and nuts give you a boost of vitamins and healthy fats. It's a perfect way to start your day on a healthy note. So there you have it, our top breakfast foods to help you look younger and feel fantastic. Remember, it's not just about what you eat, but also how you start your day. Fuel your body with the right ingredients, and you'll be amazed at the difference it can make. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips. First up, we have Greek yogurt. This isn't some bland, tasteless slop, no. We're talking about thick, creamy Greek yogurt, packed with protein to power you through your morning. And the best part? It's full of probiotics, those little gut warriors that keep your digestive system happy. A happy gut means a happy you, and trust me, it shows on the outside. You'll be glowing from within. Next, we've got avocado toast. But not just any avocado toast. Now, I'm not talking about some flimsy, pale excuse for toast with a sad smear of avocado. You know the kind. Barely toasted bread with a thin, uninspired layer of avocado that leaves you wanting more. We're talking about thick-cut whole grain bread, toasted to perfection, and generously topped with creamy, ripe avocado. The kind of bread that has a satisfying crunch when you bite into it, and the avocado that's perfectly mashed to a smooth, luscious consistency. Drizzle with a bit of olive oil, not just any olive oil, but a high-quality extra virgin olive oil that adds a rich, fruity flavor to the toast. A sprinkle of sea salt, preferably flaky sea salt that adds a delightful crunch and enhances the natural flavors of the avocado. And some chili flakes if you like it fiery. The chili flakes add a nice kick, balancing the creaminess of the avocado with a bit of heat. This isn't just breakfast, it's a flavor explosion that will rock your world. Imagine biting into this masterpiece, each element perfectly complementing the other, creating a symphony of flavors and textures. The crunch of the toast, the creaminess of the avocado, the richness of the olive oil, the crunch of the sea salt, and the heat from the chili flakes all come together to create a truly unforgettable experience. Whether you're enjoying it as a quick breakfast, a satisfying snack, or even a light lunch, this avocado toast is sure to become a favorite. So, next time you're craving something delicious and nutritious, remember, avocado toast done right is the way to go. Berries, berries, berries. These little gems are like nature's candy, but without the sugar crash. Blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, blackberries. Load them up on your yogurt, your oatmeal, or just grab a handful for a quick snack. They're bursting with antioxidants, those little ninjas that fight off damage and keep your skin looking young and fresh. Oatmeal, fuel up for success. Oatmeal, the breakfast of champions. Don't even think about giving me those instant sugary packets. We're talking about steel-cut oats or old-fashioned rolled oats, cooked low and slow for a creamy, comforting bowl of goodness. This stuff will keep you full and satisfied for hours, so you can say goodbye to those mid-morning cravings. Eggs, crack open some amazing benefits. Don't believe the cholesterol myths. Eggs are packed with protein and essential nutrients. Protein, healthy fats, and biotin. That's the good stuff that makes your hair shine, your nails strong, and your skin radiant. Scrambled, poached, or boiled, eggs are a versatile and delicious addition to your breakfast routine. Swap out those sugary coffee drinks for a refreshing cup of green tea. It's loaded with antioxidants and provides a gentle, natural energy boost without the jitters. Additionally, it can give your metabolism a little kickstart, helping you burn those stubborn calories. Don't underestimate the power of nuts and seeds. These little guys are packed with healthy fats, protein, and vitamins that are essential for healthy skin, hair, and nails. Sprinkle them on your yogurt, add them to your smoothies, or just grab a handful for a satisfying snack. Spinach smoothie, a green machine. Don't turn your nose up at spinach. This leafy green is a nutritional powerhouse, loaded with vitamins and minerals that are fantastic for your skin. Blend it up with some fruit, yogurt, and a splash of almond milk for a delicious and refreshing smoothie that will power you through your morning. Cottage cheese, protein powerhouse. Cottage cheese is back, baby. This often overlooked breakfast staple is packed with protein and will keep you feeling full and satisfied all morning long. Top it with some berries, a drizzle of honey, or a sprinkle of cinnamon for a delicious and nutritious breakfast. Whole grain toast, the right way to toast. We're talking about proper whole grain toast here. None of that white bread nonsense. Look for bread with at least 3 grams of fiber per slice. That's the good stuff that keeps your digestive system running smoothly. Top it with avocado, nut butter, or a poached egg for a breakfast that's both delicious and good for you. Start your day the delicious way. So there you have it, 10 breakfast foods that will help you look younger, lose belly fat, and feel absolutely fantastic. These foods are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that your body needs to kickstart the day. From antioxidant-rich berries to protein-packed eggs, each of these foods plays a crucial role in maintaining your health and vitality. Incorporating them into your daily routine can make a significant difference in how you feel and look. Remember, breakfast is the most important meal of the day, so make it count. Skipping breakfast can lead to overeating later in the day and can negatively impact your energy levels and concentration. A well-balanced breakfast provides the necessary fuel for your body and brain to function optimally. It sets the tone for the rest of the day, helping you stay focused, energized, and in a good mood. Fuel your body with the right ingredients, and you'll be setting yourself up for success. Fresh fruits, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats are all excellent choices. For example, a smoothie made with fresh fruits and vegetables can be a quick and easy way to get a variety of nutrients in one meal. Adding nuts and seeds can provide healthy fats and protein, keeping you full and satisfied until your next meal. And you'll be amazed at the difference it makes. People who adopt a healthy breakfast routine often report feeling more energized, having better digestion, and even experiencing improved skin health. It's incredible how much of an impact a simple change in your morning routine can have on your overall well-being. So why not give it a try and see the benefits for yourself? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends and family. Your support helps us create more content that can make a positive difference in people's lives. We love hearing your feedback and suggestions, so feel free to leave a comment below and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. We have a lot of exciting content planned, from nutritious recipes to fitness tips and mental health advice. Stay tuned and join our community of health enthusiasts. See you next time.